Protocol and compliances in IoT system. In IoT, profiles define how devices interact, and compliance ensure they follow global standard and secure. Both are essential for interoperability, reliability, and safety in the large-scale IoT system. Means profile will tell how the devices interconnect with each other, and compliance means ensure it follow the global standard protocols. Definition: a profile in IoT defines the set of communication rule, function, and configuration so that a device or application uses to work in a specific IoT network. A profile tells how a device should behave and how it talks to other. Means profile tell a device how should behave and how talk to other devices in the IoT environment. A smart home profile defines how light, fan, and sensor communicate. A smart health profile it defines how wearable devices send health data. Profile ensure interoperability. Devices from different companies can work together. It defines data format, communication method, and protocols. Common IoT profiles such as Zigbee home automation, Bluetooth low energy profile, and Thread device profiles. Now, compliance in IoT. Compliance means rules. You have to follow the rules, standard, and security regulations which is required for IoT devices and systems. It produces safe, secure, and compatible with international or industry standard rules. Why compliance is needed? Because it to maintain data security and privacy, ensure device reliability and safety, to meet legal and industry standard. What will be the example of the IoT compliance? ISO 30141, which is for IoT reference architecture. IEEE 802.15.4 is for a standard for low rate wireless network. GDPR for protecting user data, NIST for IoT security framework. These are the compliance, means a standard you can say. So the quality standard, food quality standard. Similarly for the IoT communication, these are the standard for the IoT communication. Relationship between profile and compliance. Profile, what is the purpose? Device, how communicate with each other. Compliance, ensure follow all the rule and standard. Focus, function and functionality and interoperabilities. And compliance focus on security, safety, and data protection. What is the example of profile? Zigbee light control profile, compliance ISO standard GDPR compliance. Now, protocols. Protocols, what is protocols? Protocols means you can say set of rules. These are the network TCP layer and IoT protocols. These are the network communication, means application layer, transport, internet, and network layer. Corresponding IoT protocols, what will be used? In the application layer, COAP protocol, HTTP, MQTT, AMQP, and others. There are so many protocols. In the transport layer, TCP, UDP mostly used. Internet, TCP, 6, LoWPAN, and RPL or UDP. You can also use UDP protocol. Network layer, IEEE 802.1.15.4, 802.11. This is the Wi-Fi. These are GSM, LTE. These are the network protocols. Means every layer there are some specific IoT protocols will be used. You should remember in the application layer what protocols will be used. Transport layer what protocols? TCP, UDP, DTLS. Internet layer में TCP, 6, LoWPAN and RPL protocol used. These are the network layer protocols. Current internet protocols HTTP, FTP, SMTP, IMP, these are the application protocol. And expected IoT protocol is MQTT, COAP and AMQP. Or in the transport layer protocol TCP and UDP. And IoT is also TCP and UDP. And networking layer IP version 4 and 6, also networking IP version 4 and 6. Data link layer Ethernet, Wi-Fi, GSM, Ethernet, Wi-Fi, GSM. Data link layer, network layer, you can, if you have many dot from network here, internet, or you can say network, or these are the, you can say network or internet, you can say network or network layer, you can say here data link layer. Okay, internet या network, here you can say data link layer. IP as the IoT network layer. This is the 4 stage of IoT architecture. Stage of IoT architecture. IoT architecture. First is application layer, then data processing, network layer, sensing layer. Sensing layer, it gathering the data. After gathering it, sent to network layer for the data transmission using internet gateway. And go to the data processing layer. Here will be the processing unit, data analytics or decision unit will be here. After that it sent to the application layer, a smart application and management. These are the data flow of the IoT architecture. Data gathering, data transmission, फिर processing, फिर a smart application. According to data we have to take the decision. What decision will be taken by the applications or a smart, or even you have to already in the program, then automatically take the decisions using the data gathering, transmission and processing the data. IoT architecture has several. First, perception, network and application, means sense the data, network and process, then application layer. Network layer is responsible for the data transmission between IoT devices and cloud server. Internet protocol play a key role in this layer. It ensures every devices can communicate globally. IP define how data packets are addressed and routed over the network. Means IP only decide how the data packet route and addressed to the network. Why IP is used in the IoT network layer? Global connectivity already discussed, unique identification, scalability, interoperability, use of existing internet infrastructure. Version of IP used in IoT is IP version 4, IP version 6. IP version 4 is 32-bit address, limited number of address used in a small network. IPv6 is 128-bit address, huge address will be available and used for large scale of IoT system. Network layer component in IoT architecture. Communication protocols, internet security protocol, cloud backend, these are the network layer protocol. Internal, you can say internal architecture, how they will, plus Wi-Fi or internet security protocol and cloud backend. Supporting protocols at IP layer in IoT. 6 low PAN, which is compressed IPv6 packet for low power network like Zigbee and BLE. RPL, which is routing protocol for low power and lossy network. UDP is also lightweight transport layer used with IP for IP faster and communication. COAP is application protocol that works over IP, UDP or constant devices. These are the IP layer protocol in IoT. UDP also a lightweight protocol. These are the lightweight transport layer protocol used with IP for faster communication. Okay, UDP used with IP for the faster communication. A temperature sensor in a smart home uses such as how uses IPv6 plus 6 low PAN to send data to local gateway, and gateway forward data using IP to the cloud server for storage and analysis. and this IP helps the sensor communicate seamlessly with the internet. Means if temperature sensor, how smart home uses temperature sensor IPv6 plus 6 low pi network to send data to local gateway and gateway data using IP to the cloud server for the storage and analysis. Advantage of IP at the IoT network: easy connectivity to the cloud, reuse of existing internet infrastructure, global reach and addressing, secure data routing, support of billions of IoT devices using IPv6. IPv6 and IPv4. This is deployed in 1981, this is 1998. These are the 32-bit IP address and IPv6 is 128-bit IP address. Available address is 4.3 billion. 7.9 into 10 to the 8 address will be available. Address must be reused and masked. Every device can have a unique address. Here numerical dot decimal notation. Here is alphanumeric hexadecimal notation. You can DHCP or manual configuration. It supports auto configuration. These are the somehow basic difference of IPv4